Inday tago.
Hola, I'm here at Zamboanga City or Garden Orchid Hotel.
Kausan ako ang Garden Orchid. Oh my god, I'm so fat now. Pakanta ka, Day.
A few stolen moments is all that I asked.
Ambot.
Ano sa mata ko eh?
Darren Ferris.
Nabuang nas banisa, oh. Pwede nga, dito sa hotel. Eh, bakit coffee siya, din amo ko yugan. Pakiglakaw din siya, kaya nakaligo naman siya.
So I try to resist
Kaya angay sa bukban, kitaas na kayo.
on your list, but no other man gonna do. Cause I'm saving all my love for you.
Batay.
You used to tell
Wala,
me
ngayon medyo kayo ka sa
we'd
sinaban.
run away together. Love gives us your right to be free.
Ang ginoko.
You said be patient and wait a little longer. Taas na kayo, no? I need to cut my hair. That's a just.
Ayos.
Pagtulog ko dito. You've got your family, and did you dare? Do I try to resist being last on your list? But no other man gonna do. You said be patient and wait a little longer.
Do you still want to marry? Yes or no?
A few solid moments is all that I ask. You got your family and they leave you there. Do I try to resist being last on your list? But no other man gonna do. Cause I'm saving all my love for you. You said be patient and wait a little longer. But it's just an old fantasy. I'm gone.
Bungol.
I'm gone.
Ban, pami, ilong sa kada
I'm
bungol na kayo ko.
gone to get ready.
Kayuch, nahumot na ginagsunod sa ref.
Moments more.
Unsat kay, yakuha ng kwan B, ako ng IC2, kayo C2 ako ka.
Ayun lang na, labay ko.
Kuy, ang mga, lagi kayo ipang-ulian. Pila lang C2 diya.
Wala, isa ka bato. Upat ka bato. Uy, mahal man eh.
4 bottles, bottle.
Ano sabi siya? Pepsi.
Upat ko, tag 60 ang, isa. Sige na, stop na.